There's a really great article on the website.
Can she take a picture with
Yeah,
you
sure.
while you're chatting? One, two, three.
Thank
And
you so
it's,
much.
they talk to the test cooks in the test kitchen. What tool could you not live without? What tool could you not live without? And it's the 25 top tools of the test kitchen. And on our website, so it explains the tool, explains why they like it, and there's a button that says buy this now, and it takes you typically to Amazon, but to the place that you can get it. Because we don't sell any of the tools or anything. We just test them and tell you why we like certain things and why we don't.
And that's on the website for the America's Test Kitchen.
Yes, on board. And there's some things that you'll have access to, other things. A lot of our website is subscription based, and that's our source of funding. It's our cookbooks, it's our magazines, and the website subscriptions. Because like Consumer Reports, we don't take any funding from any of the vendors. Everything we do is independent. So yeah, so we stay the Consumer Reports of the cooking world.